As a vegan, I can no longer buy this from hawkers because I know their condensed milk and butter are not vegan. I make my own vegan condensed milk and vegan butter, and now I'm enjoying the steamed sweet corns. Really yummy! Let me show you how to remove the corn kernels. Get a corn, break it or cut it into half, and then stick a long pair of scissors in the center like in the video. Please watch carefully. I steam the kernels of one corn for 15 minutes on high, and then immediately I add the condensed milk and the butter together with the salt while it is still hot. Enjoy!